Can't believe these birds see me through this rotten, dirty window. It's almost like my cousin Vinny, and they could see me through it. Is that a cardinal up there? Female. She's like, screw all you little bastards. I got the steady shot on, switched on, it does nothing. No hummingbirds yet. It's not hot enough, I guess. Everything just blurry with this camera. Those birds tear up that back garden plot. I don't think they're eating it. Eating the plants are just landing on them and they're breaking all the string bean stalks and everything. Somebody's in the other bird bath, but I can't see what it is. I'm also gonna, looks like there's been some pictures there, but the studs aren't in this wall. I think they're on a 24. Instead of a 16, but closest stud I could get to being centered over this and not hitting the door is about 8 inches away from center, unless I go cut 3/4 inch piece of plywood, which I don't have, and put it up across to the studs or with anchors and then some nice screws into the plywood for the freaking TV. It's not a super light one because it's older, but we'll see. Very cheap bracket. Doesn't have many adjustments. Just happened to spot it at, might have been a Harbor Freight. Yeah, it was Harbor Freight. Figured I'd get it. I guess, I don't know what paid exactly, but must have attracted me because of the price. And you don't read it, it adjusts horribly. Oh well. Another day, another dollar. So this is going to go somewhere, but up higher on the wall, near the ceiling, if possible, with this cheap mount, because you can't pull it in and out from the wall. You only could swing it right and left. So that screws me up for putting the bracket right in the center. Because if I put it in the center, it'll be a foot off the wall. And the only way to get it closer to the wall is to go to the right and push it in, swing it in. And that's what you get for buying like a shop bracket, piece of shit. Check it out. Take care. God bless.